David, that was a tough loss. You've had that taping on your knee. Are you feeling 100%? Are you going to carry on here?
I have a tape on my knee since since the US Open, so I continue to wear the tape for my knee. But yeah, I'm almost 100%. Physically, yeah, I'm feeling okay. So it was not a problem today. It was just a tough match against Grigor, who played really well, yeah, it's life.
How Grigor was better?
Yeah, he was better today. We started the match really well from both sides. We had a lot of good rallies. It was a great intensity from the start, but he played well. He was a little bit more aggressive. He came to the net from the beginning, from the first point, and yeah, it was not easy for me to lose my serve from the start. So it was tough for my confidence after that. When it was 0-4, and after in the second, I had some opportunity to come back, to break back, but he was really solid. He served well, and he played. He was really solid until the end of the match.
Well, you talked on Monday about having the best career, the best win in your life. How do you place this defeat?
It's just a loss, a defeat. I have to now to prepare the next one, to be ready for the next one. It's you know, as a tennis player, you normally lose almost every week. So it's just like I said, just another loss, and the most important is to think about the next match.
What do you expect of this match against Dominic, whom you know so well and you played so often?
Yeah, I know him really well. I practice really often with Dominic, and yeah, I have already an idea with the tactics against him because I played so many times against him. We played a lot of good matches against each other, so it's not going to be easy, but I'm going to watch his match first on tonight.
David, you have one of the best return onto tour. Why in this game not working?
You know, it's like I said, I was returning well from the start, but it didn't pay it off. But after that, it was tough. Like I said, for my confidence, he served well. Good second serve. He didn't miss any serve. A lot of first serve, because sometimes he can struggling with his second serve sometimes. But he was really solid from this part of the game, and yeah, that's why maybe I didn't return as always.
David, you were struggling a lot behind your second serve today. Can you say what he did especially well against your second serve, or would you fail to do better, or how did you?
Yeah, because first of all, I didn't make a lot of free points with my serve. So he put me a lot of pressure on the second serve, because even if I put some first serve, he was returning really well, even on the backhand side with a good slight return, and so even if when I missed the first serve, I knew that I was under pressure, so. I felt it, and I knew that yeah, it was not easy all the time to play a good second serve, because yeah, it was aggressive. Sometimes he took his forehand when I put the second serve on his backhand, so it was not easy. I was under pressure all the time.
Hi David, you played Grigor many times in your career. How would you describe the development of its game within the past recent months, as opposed to like 5 years ago?
Yeah, I played Grigor so many times, and I always had some tough match against him. I always sometimes I didn't find the solutions like today. Sometimes I found some solutions like this year in Rotterdam, but yeah, you know, today was just a match like this against Grigor, and I have to focus on the next one, and I'm sure if I have to play against Grigor another time, it will be a better match.
David, you mentioned obviously it was the biggest win of your career against Rafa, but you've mentioned a couple of times now that you felt your confidence was knocked. Do you feel that the effect of that win just left you a little bit flat today?
Yeah, it could be, because you know when you play against Rafa, you have to play 2 hours and 45 minutes. You waste a lot of energy on the court, and you finish really late after treatment. So it's not easy to have a good recovery after a match like that. But yeah, it's not a reason. I was feeling great physically. I'm feeling 100%. So it's not. Yeah, I don't think it's because it was a long match against Rafa. It's just that yeah, Grigor played well, and it was not easy for me today.
David, you have one more match left, possibly 3 matches left here. At what stage does it become a distraction, or maybe it's not a distraction, but with the Davis Cup final coming up so quickly, how is you thinking with that?
Yeah, I'm just gonna be focused on the next one, on the next match. This event is really important. It's one of the biggest events of the year, so I'm gonna focus on the next match, and then if there is another one, I will be focused on the next one, and then we will see the Davis Cup. I'm not thinking about the Davis Cup for the moment. I know it's just after this event, but we will see. I'm just focused on this event first, and then we will see after.
David, justement, quand tu vois à 4-0, tu t'essayes de faire des choses qu'il est si solide en face de toi, comment est-ce que tu essayes dans ta tête de changer les choses?
Ben, c'est pas facile, parce que ça commençait bien, je sortais bien la balle, il y a eu de très bons rallyes, il y a eu des bonnes choses, une bonne agressivité, et finalement en 1 ou 2 points, ou un peu plus de réussite de son côté, ben, je me retrouve à 4-0 et c'est compliqué, parce qu'on se dit voilà, qu'est-ce que je dois faire, est-ce que je dois changer complètement, ou est-ce que je suis sur la bonne voie, mais je suis quand même à 4-0 en jouant comme ça, donc on se pose beaucoup de questions, et la confiance en prend un coup, donc c'est surtout ça qui m'a fait mal, c'est le début de match. Après, au lieu de 4-0, ben, en jouant comme ça, je me retrouvais à 2-2, ben, voilà, j'aurais pu vraiment continuer et tenir le choc, mais c'est sûr que le début de match m'a fait mal.
David, tu l'as dit en anglais, tu penses qu'en termes d'énergie, tu étais vraiment à ton meilleur aujourd'hui, et comment tu rebondis directement pour une grosse bataille face à Team?
Je sais pas si j'étais à mon meilleur. En tout cas, voilà, c'est passé comme ça s'est passé. Je me sentais bien, en tout cas avant le match. Je me sens physiquement, ça va bien. Donc voilà, c'est sûr que c'est dur. Il y a eu beaucoup d'énergie dépensée après le match de Rafa, ça c'est sûr. Mais voilà, j'ai eu un jour de repos, et aujourd'hui, ben, c'était plus j'ai dit, quand je suis arrivé sur le court, les sensations étaient bonnes, les jambes tournaient bien, et puis c'était plus voilà, un très bon match de Grigor, surtout en début de match, qui m'a un petit peu pas coupé les jambes, mais qui m'a un petit peu cassé ma confiance.
Et Tim, comment tu bascules tout de suite sur la...
Il faut d'abord bien récupérer, de nouveau bien préparer le corps pour le match suivant. Ça va être important de bien récupérer, bien se reposer pour préparer le suivant. Et voilà, c'est comme je disais tout à l'heure, c'est une défaite, mais en tant que joueur de tennis, on a des défaites. Normalement, on perd presque chaque semaine, et donc là, il faut se remobiliser. C'est un peu plus spécial parce qu'il y a un match dans 2 jours, mais j'ai l'habitude et je vais me remotiver. En tout cas, je le suis déjà, mais me rebooster pour que je sois vraiment à 110% pour le dernier match de la poule.
Est-ce que tu parlais justement que tu avais difficile contre Grigor. Est-ce que tu comparerais un peu la difficulté que tu as aussi à essayer de mettre en peine un gars comme Federer, par exemple? Est-ce que c'est un peu dans la même lignée?
C'est dur à dire, c'est dur de comparer les deux, c'est dur de comparer quelqu'un à Federer aussi, mais c'est sûr que c'est un joueur, Grigor, qui est très complet, et j'ai souvent eu dur dans le passé à le battre. Maintenant, j'y suis arrivé une fois, ça veut dire que je peux le faire, mais aujourd'hui, sur une surface comme ça, sur une surface rapide, il était très motivé, très bien préparé, en confiance, il était très dur à battre, comme pourrait l'être évidemment un Federer qui est en confiance sur une surface rapide pareille.
Est-ce que tu vois un domaine dans ce que tu as fait aujourd'hui où tu te dis, pour le prochain match, il faut absolument que je fasse différemment ou mieux
Non, ce sera différent. Ce sera un autre adversaire en face, d'autres balles. C'est un joueur... Dominique sera un joueur vraiment complètement différent de ce que j'ai pu avoir avec Rafa et Grigor, avec d'autres qualités, d'autres faiblesses, et il faudra que j'exploite ça. Après, ce sera surtout, comme je l'ai dit, bien me repréparer. Mon tennis, il est là, et je sais que si je me reprépare bien et que l'énergie est à 110%, ça se passera bien.